Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In today's video, we are going to solve one very interesting question from algebra. Here we have to evaluate 1 over 10 minus x whole power 91 plus 1 over x minus 9 whole power 19. Given that x plus 91 over x is 19. Here x cannot be 0, cannot be 9, cannot be 10. So let's get started by writing here required expression equal to E first. As we have x cannot be 0, so we can multiply our given equation by x both sides. Let's multiply x into the bracket. We will get x times x, x is square, plus x times 91 over x, 91 equal to 19x. Take all the terms to LHS, x square minus 19x plus 91 equal to 0. Now we will subtract 1 from both the sides. Minus 1, minus 1. 91 minus 1, 90. Let's write x square minus 19x plus 90 equal to negative 1. Now we are going to factor LHS. So I can see the split of minus 19 as minus 9 minus 10. So I will write here x square minus 9x minus 10x plus 90 equal to negative 1. Now from first two terms, I can take x common. So in the bracket, we will write x minus 9. From last two terms, we can take minus 10 common out. So in the bracket, we will write x minus 9 once again equal to minus 1. Now x minus 9 is overall common. We will get x minus 9 times x minus 10 equal to minus 1. Let's write x minus 9 times x minus 10 equal to negative 1. Now in our required expression, if I will write here E, then here we have 10 minus x. But in our equation, it is x minus 10. So I will multiply by negative 1 both sides. Negative 1, and in RHS, we will multiply with the same negative 1. Now this minus 1 will be multiplying to this bracket only. Let's multiply. We will get x minus 9 times minus 1 times x minus 10 will be 10 minus x. Minus 1 times minus 1, 1. This is the most important equation in our problem solving. Now we are going to assume our substitution. Let us say x minus 9 equal to a and 10 minus x equal to b. So our first equation would be a times b equal to 1. Now we will focus on required expression first. So I will write E in terms of a and b, our substitution. So let me write here E equal to 1 over 10 minus x, which is b here. So I will write 1 over b whole power 91 plus 1 over x minus 9. X minus 9 is a here. So I will write 1 over a whole power 19. Now from this equation itself, I can write any time a equal to 1 over b dividing by b both sides, as x cannot be 10, and same time we can write b will be equal to 1 over a. So in place of 1 over a, we can write b. In place of 1 over b, we can write a. So our required equation will become a plus b with exponents 91 and 19. 1 over b is a, so a power 91. 1 over a is b, so b power 91. this expression we are going to actually evaluate. Known equation is a times b equal to 1. Now I will add both also, a plus b. Let's find the value of a plus b. So we can write x minus 9 plus 10 minus x. Now plus x and minus x will be over. 10 minus 9 is 1. So we have two equations, a plus b equal to 1, a times b equal to 1. Two equations, and we have to evaluate a power 91 plus b power 19. Let me write here a plus b 1, a times b 1. Target expression is a power 91 plus b power 19. Now I can think about one quadratic equation whose roots are a and b. Then this is sum of roots. This is product of roots. Let me write quadratic here in variable t. So I am writing t square whose roots are a and b. So using Vita's method, we can write t square minus sum of roots, which is 1 here. So I will write 1 times variable t plus product of roots. Again it is 1 here. We'll write 1 equal to 0. Or t square minus t plus 1 equal to 0. Let's check our equation at t equal to minus 1, whether it will satisfy or not. So if I will plug in t equal to minus 1 to this quadratic equation, we are going to get minus 1 whole square plus 1. Then we will write here plus 1. Then we will write here plus 1. Is this equal to 0? No, it is not. So we can conclude for our quadratic equation, t cannot be equal to minus 1. Let me write here also, t cannot be negative 1. So I can multiply both sides by t plus 1. Let's multiply both sides by t plus 1. I will be writing t plus 1 times t square minus t plus 1. And RHS will be 0 times t plus 1. Now from left hand side, we can say this is one algebraic identity, t cube plus 1 cube. And right hand side is 0. So ultimately we are going to get one important result, t cube equal to minus of 1 cube. 1 cube is 1. So minus of 1 means minus 1. So t cube is negative 1. Roots of this equation a and b means I am going to plug in t equal to a and t equal to b. Let me write here t cube equal to minus 1. Let's plug in t equal to a and t equal to b. So I will get a cube equal to minus 1. And from second t equal to b, we will write b cube equal to minus 1. Our target is to find a power 91 plus b power 19. Now can we split? Can we write 91 as 90 plus 1? And 19 we can write 18 plus 1. Now we know the exponent law. We can write here a power 90 times a power 1. So I am writing a only plus b power 18 times b power 1. I am writing b only. Again we can use exponent law. We can write a power 90 as a cube whole power 30. We know that a power b whole power c. Anytime we can write a power b times c. So 90 is 30 times 3 or 3 times 30. So we can use this exponent law and write a cube whole power 30 times a plus b power 18 will be b cube whole power 6 times b. Now a cube is minus 1, b cube is minus 1. So we will write here minus 1 power 30 times a plus minus 1 power 6 times b. Now negative 1 is base with even powers 30 and 6. Value will be 1. So we are going to write e equal to 1 times a plus 1 times b, or e equal to a plus b. And we have equation a plus b, value was 1. So our final answer becomes e equal to 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.